What's up, gang? It's your girl UniqueQueen, and I'm back with another video. Y'all already know what time it is. Y'all already know how I do. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go and hit that subscribe button. Go show that to all of my previous videos on my channel and join the gang. So y'all, let me tell y'all, I'm so frustrated. So I ran out of storage or whatever, but some way, somehow, my previous videos from this morning for this video that I'm doing currently right now got deleted. But you know, I was cleaning and stuff like that, and my hygiene, I was talking to y'all and stuff like that. It was just clips like that, but they got deleted, y'all, and your girl is very upset. Like, I'm very upset. And nobody had time to start over, do a different day, because I chose to vlog today. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I ain't worrying about that. Yeah, I was mad. I was very, very mad. I was very upset. But I'm here. I'm talking to y'all. That's what I love to do. So y'all, it is currently 11 something. I don't even, let me see. Oh no. I said it's currently like 11 something. Where's the phone? I just had it. My bad, y'all. It's currently 10:05. 10:05 in the morning. 10:05 in the morning, y'all. And I got up around like 7 something. So I've been up for quite a while. I had to handle some business. I had to call some places. All that good stuff. So I got all of that out the way. Now I'm just gonna be preparing for my day, getting dressed. I'm about to do my makeup. Y'all know, if you know, you know. Y'all know, like, I don't wear makeup or like that. Like, I don't do makeup. I only got like one makeup video on my channel, which I will link down below in the description box, so you guys can go watch it, show some love towards it. But yeah, I only have like one video, but this will be my second. It's not just a makeup tutorial video, like, it's gonna be other things, but y'all know, like, the makeup tutorial is gonna be in it. But yeah, let's just get started. So like, comment, and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Join your girl, join the team, and yeah, we just gonna get right into it. just be listening.
Yeah. Like, seriously.
True.
I think they gave her a song record.
They did.
And probably they might get Super Sour one because he's been making music since he was 5.
Honestly, that's so crazy. Like, for real. Like,
What?
that he's been making, like, music and stuff like that. Like,
Yeah, he just came out with a new one.
for real.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I might have to look it up.
That's really
I
crazy.
put a lipstick thing on. And then I put foundation out and foundation on my lips too. I just not look good.
She said, YOLO. She said the fun's up. And then, y'all, I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna go back in with this to get it back to my tone because sometimes when I put that on, I don't feel like it matches, but I like that extra look. It's very cute. So that's just basically what I'm doing. It's coming together so far, y'all. I'm basically looking in my mirror or whatever. That's why I'm not really looking at the camera like that, but I just wanted to let you guys know that because a lot of people will be confused on why I did that. But next, I am going to be going in with my CoverGirl. Wait, is this my... Is it? Okay, y'all. I thought this was the CoverGirl one, but I never... It's this one, y'all. So, it's this one. It's a mascara, y'all. I'm going to be going in with my mascara. I was going to put lashes on, but I didn't want to be too extra today. I just wanted to be a little cute. Whoa, I hate when I do that. Y'all just seen that. Y'all seen that. Okay, y'all, so y'all just see me put on my mascara, but like I was saying, I did not put lashes on today because I did not want to look too extra, if y'all get what I'm saying. but it's coming together. Now I'm going in with this. Honestly, I don't know what it is. This is actually my mother's. It gives like a glittery type look, and I like putting it on my cheeks. So let me just show y'all if it'll like even pop out.
Gets kick. Put it on there how I want it versus doing it with the thing. So these are the colors. Those are the colors. I'm going to go in with this one. I'm going to go in with that one because I feel like that color matches me, it fits me. Who is this?
I don't know.
You don't know?
This is just a little girl. And she's really tiny. She had a Bentley, a little Bentley, and pulled out.
For real?
Yeah, so And I just keep song after song after song.
What, on hers?
Yes, I just keep singing songs. And all she has is songs on her video.
Who is that, Layla?
She made her own toy. Jeez, that is so loud.
I don't know. Oh my god, a pimple. Like, don't ever play with me like that. Like, don't ever play with me like that. Okay, y'all, so this is the final look. I'm sorry for the mirror being so dirty, y'all. Well, it's not that dirty, but so I'm gonna get close. But this is how it turned out, y'all. I like it. It's plain, like it's not plain, but it's simple, cute. Like I look cute, I look good. Oh, and y'all didn't get to see my nails because, like I said in the beginning of the video this morning when I had first started it, I showed y'all a clip of my nails. But y'all, I just got these press on nails yesterday. They're cute. And yeah, like they're so cute. Like I said, I got them yesterday, and y'all sleep on press-on nails. Like, I know it's okay to get your nails actually done like at a shop professionally, but girl, like, bro, say these is not cute. Like, these are so cute. Like it's just the diamonds for me. But anyway, y'all, this is the final look of my makeup. Like I said, I'm not sure what I'm about to do right now. I know I got some running around to do, so you guys will probably be coming with me. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. So for right now, I'm gonna just be vibing, and then I'm gonna pick the camera back up in a little bit. Yep. What's up, y'all? So right now, I am basically just sitting here, obviously, and I'm waiting on my mom. Hold on, let me turn this down, y'all, because I wasn't here cheating. Right now, I'm waiting on my mom to get ready so we can go to the grocery store. We're supposed to be going there to get a few things, but I got bored waiting, so I just wanted to sit here with y'all and react to my TikToks. I don't know if any of you guys follow me on TikTok. If you do, thank you. I've been doing really good on TikTok. So if you're not following me on TikTok, hold on. If you're not following me on TikTok, is it gonna focus? This is my TikTok. Make sure you go follow me on TikTok, y'all. Oh, there we go. Follow me on TikTok. Oh, look at me, I'm so pretty. But anyway, y'all, that's what we're about to do. We're about to watch my TikTok videos, and I don't know, what should I do? Should I rate on myself on how I did? I don't know, but we're about to watch a few
probably not all of them, a few. I want to start from the beginning, from when I first started making TikToks. When the beginning, I was just posting my YouTube, trying to get my YouTube up. So the first one is me and my friend. Some of y'all seen me and my friend together on my channel. I think she was in one video, maybe two, but I think it was one video. Some of y'all seen her. Her name is Chrissy. That's my best bitch. So this is the first one. Jump in there. Look at me. So, y'all, at the end, I forgot how to do the ending part, so I just did anything, and then I looked at my friend, like, y'all see. But I feel like I did okay, and I'll get that one like a 7 or a 6, because I don't know, y'all. Comment down below, and the comment that, oh my god, why can't I speak? Like, every time I get on camera, okay, so on the first video, comment down below, y'all rate like 1 through 10 how y'all think I did. Here's the second one.
Now stop doing that sassy. You know you wanna give me a key.
Honestly, y'all, that's my favorite one. Like, I feel like I just look so pretty in there. Like, my skin just looks so pretty. You know, I was on time with what was being said in the TikTok, and this video was just my favorite for real. But I'm gonna give this one a 10 because, like I said, it's my favorite. So let's move on to the next one. This is the third one, y'all. I might skip some of these because, yeah, we're not about to go through all my TikToks because I have a lot of videos. So here's the third one.
I said, damn, bitch.
Okay, so the caption was, when your boyfriend just eats your food without asking. And y'all seen, damn, bitch. Like, what the fuck? Like, why you touching my food? Like, but y'all, I'll rate that one like a 7. Let me see. Nah. So y'all, this one is my other favorite one.
Let's see what I should do in 2022. I don't really know what the fuck that is, but
so y'all seen it said drinking more water. Honey, TikTok don't even know I do drink water. Like, you in my business, like, please don't do that for real. Don't do that. Because I do drink water, and I do drink enough, you feel me? But I rate this video a 9. So that was the 4th. Y'all, I'm losing count. That was the 4th one. Look at my cat. She just jumped up on the bed. So let me see. This is my other favorite one. If you know, you know. This is my boyfriend that is in the video with me. And I just wanted to make it because he's a special person to me, and I love him so much. So shout out to you, babe. You know who you is. But yeah, y'all. We're cute. That's my fave. Y'all understood the assignment. Like, that's mine for real. But yeah, y'all, I rate that one a 10 because, yeah. Let's talk about this one though. Yes, that's me as a baby. Like, I'm so pretty. Like, I'm so pretty. That's why I don't understand when females be like, when we arguing or something, they be like, you ugly. Like come again? Ugly? Where? Like, that's how I really be looking. Like, I just be like, where am I ugly? Like, honey, because you can never, like, you can't pull that on me. Like, you thought you had one up on me? Nah, baby girl. But yeah, y'all, I hate when females really hit me with that. You ugly. Let me just move on to the next one. Let me see this one. I'm so weak. Oh, okay, y'all. So here's the next one.
I hate getting the text like I miss you. Okay, send the video you cried in. I need the tears, the snot, I need all that. Matter of fact, do it around your homeboy so I know it's real.
Period, though. Like, and it was the bra strap for me coming down because I was speaking that she's. Y'all. But I get that one like at 8. Okay. So, for some of y'all, if y'all don't know, my boyfriend's 25. But that's okay because I'm 20. Like, so what? Like, so what? Like she said, so what? But y'all, I rate this like a 8. Yeah, like an 8. So y'all, this is like the 8th one, I believe. If you're watching this, y'all know what number I'm at. I think I'm on like 8, so I'm gonna stick with 8. So y'all, this is the 8th one. Oh. So y'all, that's me. If I had braces, y'all. So I'm working on getting braces. It's not because of my gap. Like, I love my gap. Like, it's just down here. That need to be straight. Like, okay, like, I'll do a story time because, like, I don't want to go too deep into it because we're still watching my TikToks, but my teeth is crooked down here and I don't like that, so I want it to, like, you know, be straight. So that's why I want braces. Like, I don't want braces because of my gap. Like, I love my gap. Like, I don't care what nobody say. Like, a lot of people talk about gaps and say people with gaps are ugly, but we're like, I got a gap, but I'm not ugly. Like, I'm gorgeous. So yeah. But this is the next video. This is my ultimate, like, y'all, this is my ultimate favorite one. Like, this is really my best friend, like, my ride or die, like, my baby girl, like, my everything. Like, y'all really don't understand. Like, and y'all go, hold on, y'all, go follow her TikTok at Bout That Chrissy, BOUTDAT Chrissy, KRISSY, y'all. So it's right. Can y'all see that down there? Can y'all see? About that Chrissy. So make sure y'all go follow her TikTok, y'all. But yeah, y'all, this is my ultimate favorite. That's my baby girl. That's really my baby girl. And the caption was, I know that honestly your loyalty is only to us. Like, I have so like, I have so, but I'm not even gonna get into it because, like, I have so much to say about that girl, like, and how we are and how our relationship is and how we really rock, and, like, it's a lot, but I'm not gonna get into it. This is me on the late night. I'm gonna get this video at 12. Can we go to 12? No, I don't know. Y'all, this is one of my favorites. I ain't gonna say my favorite, but it was just on a late night and I was bored, so. Video credits to my bestie. But yeah, my bestie did that for me. So if y'all don't know about my cats, I'm about to show y'all my cats. I just scared my cat. Shadow. Femi. That's Fluffy over there. And this is Femi. Shadow. He's corny. He don't even want to look at me like. Okay, y'all. Whoa. Okay, y'all. So let's finish this. So if y'all don't know, well, now y'all know because I just showed y'all. But Shadow is the dark one, and this is my favorite video as well. I rate this video a 10. That's my baby. It was all about Shadow. It wasn't about me. That's why I just stopped the video. But that's a 10, and that's my baby. That's my baby. I'm really not about to sit here and go through all of these, but I'm picking out the good ones I like. Here's this one. Oh, whoa. It just swiped off. This is my other favorite one. We gon' fuck it in the back of the bus. I feel her nose up full of that dust. Wild on tour. Whooping these niggas that fucking these swords. In the bathroom about 2 whole hours. Passed out on the floor. They try to play me. They try to play me though. They try to play me. But it was true though, y'all. It was true. That was like an 8. What's this one? When did I do this? Nah. Honestly, y'all, those is mostly all the TikToks. I mean, like, it's a couple more, but I really don't like these ones. I don't even know why I posted them if I didn't like them. What's this one? Look at my reaction. That is funny, y'all. That is so funny. What's this one? Sick of you niggas. I'll really be sick of you niggas. Why? Y'all. Anyway, y'all. Anyway, so y'all just seen some of my TikToks. Y'all, I'm not sick. Like, I don't got no damn corona. I know I cough and stuff like that, but people cough. Like, what the heck? People can cough. But those of you who are not subscribing, you're watching this, please go subscribe to my channel. Please look where I'm at, y'all. Like, honestly, I'm proud of myself. Like, I can honestly say that. Like, I'm really proud of myself. Like, I've really been consistent. I've really just been trying. I just been on top of my game with this YouTube stuff, and like I said, I'm really proud of myself, and I think whoever else is proud of me. Like, I really do thank y'all, and I will be coming out with more videos, y'all, more content, like more things for you guys. Like, I'm really about to do some stuff, so make sure y'all are subscribing, make sure y'all stay tuned, and make sure y'all are going to watch my previous videos on my channel, because Y'all already know the dealio. But yeah, y'all, like I said, I'm waiting on my mom. I'm waiting on my mom to get ready to go to the store. Because we about to do some shopping, y'all. Stop playing with us. But yeah, y'all, we about to do some shopping, so that's what I'm doing. I'm just in the room chilling, bored. Like, who else is just at home bored? Like, I really don't be doing nothing for real. Like, I'm always in the house with my cats, like an old lady. Look at my baby. Look at my, stop. He always trying to fight me, y'all. He always trying to fight me. Look, he trying to fight me. Fat man, he's so cute, eh? Fat me. Ow! He just tried to bite me. He's so bad. Why you being bad? You know the camera's on you. He always know the camera on. My cat is so smart. But anyway, y'all, like I said a million times, what the? Anyway, y'all, I'm about to hop off this camera and I'm gonna pick y'all back up when I'm at the grocery store or I'm actually doing something. And I really hope y'all enjoy my TikToks because, yeah. What's up, y'all? So right now, no, I'm not going to the grocery store yet because yet again my mom is not ready yet. Me and my little sister, we're actually about to go to the car wash. I need to clean out my car. I need to vacuum my car. I need to do all types of things. But first, I gotta go to the store first. So I'll be heading to the store. Then I will be on my way to the car wash. So I will see you guys when we get to the car wash. What's up, y'all? So I'm gonna just go with it. Alright, what's up, y'all? So we just left the store and we're on our way to the car wash. Oh, look, they got their dogs out playing. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Them is German Shepherds. I ain't playing with them.
Oh yeah.
But
Dogs that be in the army.
anyway, y'all. Whoa. So like I was saying, let me pay attention to driving. But like I was saying, we are on our way. My little sister's gonna hold the camera because I cannot. Anyway, we are on our way to the car wash. It's literally around the corner. So that is what we are doing. So we're gonna get back to y'all when we at the car wash.
Kick.
Y'all, so we're about to leave this car wash. Like, I will never come here ever again. Like, this was one of my worst experiences of coming to a car wash, honestly, because for one, y'all vacuum machines barely work. Like, come on now, like, they barely work. And honestly, like, that had me, bruh, that had me so tight because, hold on y'all, it had me so tight because like, bro, like why don't y'all vacuum machines work? But anyway y'all, because my camera just keeps going back and forth, like, so I'm gonna just talk to y'all when I get to the house, because obviously I'm driving right now and I have to pay attention to the road. But y'all, like, I just want to tell y'all that I will never ever go back to that car wash. Like, that was whack. But I'm glad I got to wipe stuff down and do everything else that I need to do. But yes y'all, I will catch y'all when I get to the house. What's up YouTube? So today I'm gonna just be ending the vlog right here. Honestly, I really haven't been having a good day. Like, I know in the beginning of my video, like, I was cool, you know, happy and stuff like that, but stuff happens, like, and I'm pretty sure y'all will understand. A lot of stuff been happening, like, I'm not happy with it. It's just a lot, y'all. And plus I'm not feeling good on top of that. So right now I'm just watching something on YouTube and I'm about to go to sleep because, like I said, I'm not feeling good and I'm just really not in the mood. So I would rather just go to sleep and be by myself so I won't give my negative energy off, or, you know what I'm saying? So I know this video was short. Did a couple things. I really hope you guys enjoy it. I really hope you guys tune into it. I would really appreciate it. So like, comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Join the team. You're gonna love it here. And I'll see you in my next video. Well, I'll see y'all in my next video.